Did you know a single deep breath can silence stubborn hiccups in under a minute, even when nothing else works? Hiccups often come from meals or cold drinks irritating nerves, triggering a sudden diaphragm spasm that disrupts the day. Try this routine: hold your breath for 5 seconds, swallow twice, then exhale slowly, repeating twice. If they persist, a gentle belly massage and warm tea can help while avoiding spicy foods. Reduce late meals and dehydration, and seek medical help if hiccups last beyond 2 days.